So if you don't know me, I'm Essie Collectibles, and today I am going to be washing my needles. I've already done a part 1, but if you guys didn't watch the part 1, I'm just going to explain my name and what we're doing today. So we're washing my needles, as you can see. I don't know why this is coming up fuzzy. Hold on. There. And today I'm going to be washing my needles, but before we get started, I have a challenge for you, and you in a especially nice, happy mood today. The challenge is, can you like, click subscribe, and turn the post notifications in 5 seconds? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time's up. If you did do it, well done. So anyway, I've been washing my needles already. Comment down below what's your favourite thing by washing your needles. Is it turning on the water, putting the needles in, or doing the soap, or just looking at the needles? Comment down below. So the egg squishy looks much better. This one looks much better. The crocodile looks much better. So I think it's time to take them out. So we've got the towel. So I'm gonna just shake this off. I'm going to do it in my room because my mum doesn't like sawdust everywhere. And yeah, these are the ones I'm not washing, if you didn't see. So anyway, back to the bathroom. So there's our tub. I can't do this with one hand, it's struggling. Head up. So now, start by putting the needles in. There we go. So, I'm at the tub. And I'm going to start taking the needles out. And hope that they dry in time. It gets very, 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 very heavy. Very heavy. Why do I wash them? But you know what Purple starts out to, when she washes them, she finds little tiny hairs in her needles. Well, on her needles, and sometimes when she unboxes packages from my eBay, she literally freaks out because there's so much hair on them and it seems to smoke like that. But yeah, and I'm still taking my needles out. But yeah. I'll show you the aftermath of the sink, don't worry. I'm not leaving you guys there. Oh, yeah. Right. So the aftermath is this. So you can see these little tiny hairs like that. Complete on it. But anyway, further ado, let's check it out. So the first thing we're going to do this is all of them. So yeah, we're just cleaning it. And yeah, I'll give you an update for part 3. Bye!